My dear 8th class students, so today we are going to discuss the exercise 3, last exercise, some problems. So what are the problems are there? So first we'll discuss the third bit. I think the second bit is completed for you. How many problems have you did? Okay, only for you did the first bit only, no? Now we'll discuss the second bit. Second bit. So we'll discuss the first one. 0.9 bar. 0.9 bar. Each of the following the decimals in the rational form. We have some example problems also there. Page number, turn the page number 29. You have the example 10 to 11. Okay, na? 10 to 11. So first we'll do one thing. We'll discuss the example problems. We'll do the exercise problems. Okay, na? Example 10. First one 0.4 bar. Okay, na? The same problems also same in there in the exercise also. First look here, whatever they given the number x equals 0.4, write down the x value 0.444. It's enough. Okay, na? If you take the 3 or 4, it's enough. Next now find out what is the periodicity. So on the previous class we discussed the period and periodicity. Now here period city. Periodicity means what? For the number bar down the numbers. How many numbers are there? Only one. If you have only one number, we should multiply. This is the equation 1 with 10. If the bar down is the only one number, we should multiply with the 10. If you have the bar, the down numbers, two numbers, we should multiply with the 100. So multiply with the 10 into x. Okay, na? Again also we multiply the 10 into 0.444 with the 10 both sides. Okay. Next 10x is equal to. Suppose you have the 10 into 0.44 there here. So how many numbers are there here? How many zeros are there? Only one zero. Here only 1 point are there here. So if you remove the point, we will get here 4.44 like that. Okay, na? 4.44. If you have one more 4, you will get here 4. If you have here only 1 0, here only 1 0 there here. Okay, na? So just we have to remove the point here before, then we will write the number. This is the number 2. Okay. Next, how the next step here? Subtract first from second. Subtract the first from second. So what is the first from second? What is the second is there here? 10x is equal to 4.44 ... First we will write the second, then after we will write the first. What is the first here? X 0.444 ... Okay, na? Next write down here. If you write the one more 4, you write again one more 4. Do the subtraction. 10x minus 1x, only 9x. Okay, na? 4.00. So 9x is equal to 4. X is equal to what here? 4/9. This is called as a P by Q form. What we call? P by Q form. Once I will explain, look here. 0.4 is there. Write in the P by Q form. So I remove the bar here. I written the 4, 4, 4, 4, etc. Okay. Here the periodicity. Periodicity means what? Bar down numbers. That means what? Bar down numbers. How many numbers are there here? Only 1. That is the one here. If we have 1, we should multiply with the 10 on both sides. Next multiply with the 10 with the both sides. 10 into x, 10x, 10 into 4. Here the look here. Here the 10 into 4. That means if you do the 10 into 4, we will get here 40. So not like that. Here only 1 0. Here only 1 0. Okay, na? So this remove the point here. We will write the 4 here. Okay, na? Next 4.444. Next coming to the problem, we will get here 100. Then I will say how the multiply with the 100 the points. So subtract, compulsory you subtract the 1 from 2. In this problem you have to subtract the 1 from 2. So you will get like this process. One check out. Okay. Next problem. Two numbers. Next is the two numbers. Look here. Next is the two numbers. Second one. 0.54 bar. So here first whatever the given number will think as x. 0. The bar down how many numbers are there here? 54. Write down here 54. Again 54. If you want to write the two numbers, it's enough. If you want to write one more here, you can write here 54. Dot 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 dot. Okay. This is the equation number 1. Next, write down the periodicity here. Is 2. Why? Because here bar down numbers, how many numbers are there here? 2. So we should multiply with 100. Why? Because here how many numbers are bar is there here? 2 numbers. If you have the 2 numbers, we should multiply with the 100. If you have the 3 numbers, we should multiply with the 1000. 100 both sides. Okay. 100 into x. 100 into 0.545454 dot dot dot. Sir, how to do the problem here? How to do the problem? Okay, na? 100x means what? 100x. Next, look here 100 into 0.54 there. Before problem what we have here? 10 into 0.4. Here the two numbers we have to remove the point and write the two numbers before the point. Here 2 zeros, you write the two numbers before the point. One number, you write the one number before the point. Okay, na? With the 2 zeros, you have to arrange the numbers, two numbers before the point. 54 dot 5454 dot dot dot. This is the number 2. I think it's clear now. Suppose you have the 1000. Suppose there, you write down the 545 dot 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 like that. Okay, na? The 2 zeros, you will write the two numbers before the point. Next, same again, subtract 1 from 2. What is the second one? 100x is equal to 54.5454 dot dot dot. What is the first one? X 0.5454 dot dot dot. 0 0 0 0 5 4 99x. That means 100 minus 1x is equal to 99x. So 99x is equal to, write down the only 50. After the point zeros, there is no need to write. Next, x is equal to 54 by 99. Okay, na? This is the, what is that? Two numbers bar and one numbers bar is completed. Remaining also, look here. Remaining what are they here? 4.7 bar. Same like that only first one. Example 11 also same like that only this one. Okay, na? Next, coming to the exercise problems. What is the exercise problem? Second bit 0.91 9 bar. Same like as the first one. Second one 0.57. Same like as the second one. Next 0.729. Here only 29 we have bar only. For 29 number only we have bar only. 12.28 bar, only one number. 12.28 means what? 12.28 bar means what? X is equal to, write down here 12.2888 dot 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 dot. We should multiply with what? Only 10. Why? Because we have only one number bar. Okay, na? One check out. So next, third bit. Okay, coming to the third bit. We have the two problems. I'll explain the only one. X plus y divide x minus y. X is equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to minus 3 by 4. Listen carefully. The second one is homework. Okay, look here. Write down here 5 by 2 plus y value what here? Minus 3 by 4. Okay, next to divide x value what here? 5 by 2 minus y value what here? Minus of 3 by 4. Both are the minus, we have to keep the bracket. So 5 by 2, next plus of minus, minus 3 by 4, keep in the bracket, divide 5 by 2 minus minus plus 3 by 4. Okay, next for 2 comma 4, here also 2 comma 4 LCM. 2 4 LCM by the both brackets. 2 4, 2 1s are 2 2s, 2 into 2 4. Write down here 4 for this bracket and also write down the 4 for this bracket. The two brackets we have the same numbers. This 2 table 4 how many times cancel? 2 times into what is the number is there here? 5 minus 4 table 4 how many times cancel? 1 into 3. Same the whatever the same you have to write again. 2 into 5 plus here 1 into 3. Why? Because here place is there here. 2 5 is 10, 1 3 is 3 by 4 minus 2 5 is sorry here divide is the symbol. 2 5 is 10 plus 3 by 4. 10 minus 3 7 by 4 divided 13 by 4. In the 7th class I already learned 7 by 4. If the division is sign is there, if you converting into the into, write down the reverse also 4 by 13. 4 4 get cancelled. Answer what here? 7 by 13. Check out. Is it clear? Once check out. X value, y value. X value, y value. Okay, na? Plus of minus, 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 plus. By the both brackets, 2 comma 4 LCM what here? 4 only. So this bracket 4 and this bracket also LCM 4. 2 table 4 how many times cancel? 2 times into 5. Minus is minus. 4 table 4 how many times cancel? 1 into 3. So this bracket is also same because here plus is there. So after the process, if you are converting into the into, you will write down the reverse. In the third bit, you do the second one as homework. Next, second one as homework. Once check out. So next, here look here. In the second bit, you have the 4 problems homeworks. Writing after the example, you find out the second bit total. Then also third bit, second one. This is the today class is completed. And check out the today class.